Hello, Polly's Best for UK here, and welcome to today's Game of Day video. Now, today's game is the Sinclair Spectrum version of Fiendish Freddy's Big Top of Fun. So, I originally played this on the Commodore 64 on the cartridge version. It was the cartridge version that also came with the Commodore 64 game system, but it was also included in some of the Commodore 64 main computer packs. But yeah, I don't think I've really played much of the Spectrum version. So let's have a look at this one. So, okay. So here's the title screen, you can hear the 1 to 8 music. Yep, so let's start the game. So we press spacebar to start. Now, as you can see, it's a Mindscape. It's a lot less colourful than the Commodore 64 version, unfortunately, but still got the music and stuff. Yeah, you can see like the circus tent now in the background. Skip past this. Let's see what happens. And as you can see, comes the vehicle and the man. So it's got a bit of a cutscene, but I'm just going to skip past this because I want to get into the game. Hooey, hooey, hooey. Okay, so now we get to choose how many players we want. So, just want one player because it's just me. So you can choose your beast. So you get different ones. I'll be the cat. Take this beast. Oh, his trousers are falling down. I remember these little cutscenes on the Commodore 64 version as well, that was all present. So on to the first event. This is diving into a bucket of water. Crazy people. So here we are, player 1, level 1. Let's do this. So I'm going to get in onto the diving board here. So yeah, you can do like some sort of tricks and stuff as you go down. Dive bomb. Oh shit, watch out for Fiendish Freddy as well. We're going to go into the bucket now. There we go. So we'll go higher now on the diving board. Here we go. So he sort of like magnetises you from the sides, the Fiendish Freddy does. There's some tricks and stuff. Oh shit! Oh shit! You're getting me off course. So he's a bit of a Fiendish Freddy. That's got rid of him. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, gonna go into the water now. Oh! I just missed the water. Oh, splat onto the ground. Okay, so now you get judged on your performance. Now judging player 1. So, here we go. So I got 132 for that. So, on to the next event. So it's a bit of juggling there. I'm not going to be able to show all the events in the video because it would be such a long video. I'm just going to show you a couple. So now appearing. Okay, here we go. I'm on a unicycle and we've got a juggle. So the great thing about the game is you've got lots of variety in it. Yeah, really good. Okay, let's pick up this on this hand. There we go. Now for the skittle. You have to throw it so high, don't you? There we go. There we go. So you're sort of like juggling with all... Oh shit! I'm going to lose them all here. Oh shit! Oh no! They've all fallen onto the ground. Is that a fish? Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm not doing too good here. Oh shit! A bomb! Is that a bomb? I think it's a bomb. Okay, so I'll just throw them out the way. So I get judged on our performance now. Oh no, it's a level 2 actually. Right, okay, let's try and do this. So yeah, the game's got great graphics. It's a little less colourful than the Commodore 64 version, but you can kind of expect that with the colour bleed. Oh my god, do I have to juggle a knife? Whee! Just try and catch it. Try and catch it by the handle and not the blade. Oh shit! Ouch! That probably hurts a bit. Oh shit! One more juggling there. What's that there? Don't know what that is. Here we go. Yeah, the game's got lots of variety, nice music, presentation, good presentation and stuff. Not too bad of a game, actually. Oh, there goes a bomb. Oh, I've been reduced to rubble. That wasn't too good, was it? You're going to judge me even though I've been reduced to rubble, okay? So I must be still alive somehow. Okay. So they do some funny pokes and stuff at each other, like comedians. Ooh, that's a lot of money. Nice. I did better than I thought there. Right, this is the last event I'm going to look at on the video because the video is going to be too long for Game of Day. So yeah, this is like a trapeze. So you've got to swing like Tarzan. Whee! You've got to get your timing right. Whee! Oh shit! That wasn't good. Alright, let's try this again. So yeah, you've definitely got to get your timing right on this bit. Right, okay. Wait for it to come round. Try that. Whee! Yay! There we go. Right, okay, let's try this again. You can see the background, all the circus fans watching the amazing stunts and stuff. So I won't get it on this sweep. So let's wait for it to come round again. Okay. No! Oh shit! Yay! Excellent. Okay, let's swing across. No. Oh no! Not too good. Here comes the judges. We'll just have a look how much we get and then that'll be the end of the video. So now judging player 1. See what they give us for that attempt. £264. So yeah, that was Fiendish Freddy's Big Top of Fun. There's loads of different events on the game. Yeah, so yeah, just a quick brief look at this one then, because we're almost at 10 minutes now. So yeah, basically on this one you use your, it goes a bit slow this one, use your arrow, yeah, like a cursor to like fire knives at the things. Try not to hit the woman. So yeah, that's Fiendish Freddy Big Top of Fun. I'm going to give this one 9 out of 10. Absolutely superb and very innovative, loads of different variety and great music. So thank you for watching. Goodbye!